the ratio of sum of first 31 terms to that of next 62 terms of an arithmetic progression is 2:7. Sum of 31 terms to sum of next 62 terms. So if sum of first 31 terms is 2 units and sum of next 62 terms is 7 units, so I can say sum of all the terms, that is sum of 93 terms, is 9 units, and the ratio of these two sums is 2:9. What is the ratio of 16th term to 47th term of the same AP? For an arithmetic progression, I know the average of an AP is its middle term, and to find the sum of an AP, I need to multiply average by number of observations or number of terms. So I can say the sum of an AP can also be found by multiplying middle term into number of terms of that AP. Now, sum of first 32 terms is giving me as 2x. So, sum of first 31 terms, middle term of these 31 terms, that is 1 till 31, would be the 16th term. So, I can say this sum of first 31 terms would be middle term, that is 16th term, into number of terms, that is 31, and same sum of total 93 terms would be, this is 1, this is 93, middle term would be 47. So I can say this is 47 into total 93 terms. The ratio of S31 and sum of 93 terms is already given, that is 2/9. So taking the ratio of these two, that is T16 and term 47 into 31 upon 93 is equal to ratio of sum of 31 terms and sum of 93 terms, that is 2/9. This is 3 times, 3 get cancelled 3 times. So sum of 16th term and sum of 47th term is 2/3. So correct answer to this question is option C.